Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn divisibility criteria of 11. Okay, before watching this video, kindly watch the divisibility criteria of 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 9. Okay, divisible by 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places of the number is 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is also divisible by 11. Okay, so first consider this example 9020814. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, for that the step number 1 is step 1. You have to add the digits in the odd places. So, what are those odd places? 4, leave this 1, next 8, leave this 0, 2, leave this 0, next 9. So, 9284. You have to add these 4 numbers. So, 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 9. What you will get? 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. Am I right? 14 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 23. Next, step number 2. Step 2. Add those numbers at even places. So, what are those numbers at even places? This 1, this 0, this 0. Am I right? So, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Next, step number 3. Step number 3 is you have to find the difference for these two numbers. That means you have to subtract these two numbers. So, 23 minus 1. What you will get? 22. Okay. So, step number 1 is you have to add the numbers at odd places. Step number 2, you have to add the numbers at even places. Step number 3, you have to find the difference of both of those numbers. Okay. Step number 4, you have to check. You have to check whether this number is a multiple of 11. Whether this number is divisible of 11 or not. This 22 is divisible by 11. So, therefore 9020814 is also divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. So here the concept is, first step is you have to add the numbers at odd places. Second step is you have to add the numbers at even places. Third step you have to find the difference. And fourth step you have to check whether the number you got one number. That number is a multiple of 11 or not. Yes, this 22 is a multiple of 11. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 11. Now, consider this example 9944. So, step number 1 is you have to add the numbers at odd places. So, you have to add this 4 and 9. So, step 1. 4 plus 9. What you will get? 13. Okay, next step 2. You have to add the numbers at even places. Again, this 4 and 9. This 4 and this 9. So, 4 plus 9, 13. Third step is you have to find the difference of these two numbers. So, step 3, 13 minus 13, you got 0. Okay. So, here the final answer can be a multiple of 11 or 0. That's what they have mentioned here. If the difference between the sum of the digit at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places. So, this is the difference between this sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digit at even places. That difference should be either 0 or divisible by 11. So, here this difference is 0. So, therefore, this whole number is divisible by 11. So, therefore, 944 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. So the overall concept is you should find the sum of the digit at odd place, next at even place, then third step you have to find the difference, and at last that you will get one answer. That answer should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Then that whole number is divisible by 11. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Thank you.